Welcome to Channel 8 News. We've got a breaking story today, watchers everywhere. The Moravian of the Montreal Ocean Company was holed 3 weeks ago in an area of the ocean where no rock is recorded on any nautical charts. On further inspection, it was shown that she had broken her keel. Today, the Scotia of the Cunard Company's line was struck by a sharp and penetrating object. She was lifted for repairs. The hole was found be a regular rent in the shape of an isosceles triangle, the edges perfectly defined. Whatever had made that hole had apparently withdrawn itself with a backwards motion from the ship. Public opinion has it that the two accidents were perpetuated by the monster seen so recently by so many ships. As our listeners will remember, many ships have sighted what they thought to be an unrecorded shoal, only to be amazed as gusts of water like those from a large whale's blowhole spouted from it. It was earliest spotted by steamer Governor Higginson of the Calcutta and Burnock Steam Navigation Company and the Columbus of the West India and Pacific Company, off the coast of Australia and in the Pacific, respectively, starting off the monster's legend. The accounts were corroborated when the Helvetia of the Compagnie Nationale and the Shannon of the Royal Mail Steamship Company have both sighted the monster at Atlantic simultaneously and reported it as being more than 350 feet long, given that it was longer than the ships, each 300 feet long altogether. The public is demanding that the sea be rid of the creature, as it is a clear danger to all ships. There are only two possibilities of what the monster can be: a huge undersea animal or a large submarine craft. The latter possibility is not likely, given that all governments have emphatically denied it, and that a private citizen could not raise the funds necessary to build such a craft. Today we have the assistant professor of the Museum of Natural History in Paris, Pierre Aronnax, to give us his theories regarding the monster. Mr. Aronnax, you are a firm believer that the monster is an aquatic creature. Could you please tell us what manner of creature it might be?
Well, either we do know all the varieties of beings which people our planet, or we do not. If we do not know them all, if nature has still secrets in the deeps for us, nothing is more reasonable than to admit the existence of fishes or shellfish of other kinds, or even new species of an organization formed to inhabit the deep ocean, in which an accident of some sort has brought to the upper level of the ocean.
Goodness! What if we do know all kinds of living beings?
On the contrary, we do know all living things. We must necessarily seek for the animal in question amongst those marine beings already classified. And in that case, I should dispose to admit the existence of a giant narwhal. The common narwhal, or unicorn of the sea, often attains a length of 60 feet. Increase the size fivefold and tenfold, and you obtain the animal required.
But would it be strong enough to hold a Shannon?
Suppose their tusk were to be 6 times stronger and the animal 10 times more powerful. Launch it at a rate of 20 miles per hour, and you obtain a shock capable of producing the catastrophe required.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you for listening to Channel 8, and we'll be back with more news after the break.